How to backup and restore the EFS, modem, and persist partitions on your Google Pixel devices, including the Pixel 6a, Pixel 6, and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can backup the modem, persist, and EFS partitions on your Google Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, or any Google Pixel device for that matter. Now, why do we need to backup these partitions? Well, in case you are into custom ROMs, flashing custom ROMs, it is super important that you have a backup of these partitions, because if they go corrupt, then you can restore the backup and fix your device without having to visit the Google Store, the service center, or sending your device over to Google. Now, what are the prerequisites? You of course need to be rooted. How do you root your Google Pixel? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video. Next up, all the applications, all the files which we are using in the video can be found in the description of this video as well. So you need a file manager application which will let you unzip files. I am using FX File Manager. You are free to use any file manager application which you want to. The next thing we need is an application called Termux. Now you can download it from the Play Store, but that one hasn't been updated for ages. So I do recommend you get the one from F-Droid. You are going to land up on a page like this. Herein, when you scroll down, you will have the option of downloading F-Droid. We do not need that. We will scroll down and say download APK. It is telling me file might be harmful. I will say download anyway. And once the file has downloaded successfully, the next thing we need to do is we need to install this. So we will use our file manager, which in my case is FX File Manager. You will land up on the home page like this, go into main storage. You can of course change the view using the three dot menu in case you get your icon view. Herein, go into the download folder, because that is where you have all the files which you download on your device, and we are going to install the Termux application. Now, once the application has installed successfully, the next thing we need to do is we need to unzip this file which is going to backup and restore the persist partition, the modem, and the EFS on your Google Pixel devices. So all you need to do is press and hold. And before you ask me where did this file come from, well, you need to download this file from the link in the description of this video. And again, if you download it on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. So press and hold, and then three dot menu on the top right. Herein we are going to select open with. On the next screen, you need to select archive extractor. This is going to show you the contents. Then three dot menu on the top right one more time and say extract here. So what has happened now is you have a folder called pixel underscore EFS underscore backup. Inside this you have the backup and you have the restore shell script. You can ignore the Mac OS X folder. Next thing we need to do is we need to give Termux access to your internal storage. So how do you do that? You can go into application info by pressing and holding on the app, and then you will go into the IOP. Here and go into permissions. Now as you can see, no permissions are allowed, but we need to give it the permissions. So we are going to say files, and then we are going to say allow, and we can go back, and that automatically gave it permissions to music and audio and photos and videos as well. Next thing we need to do is we need to open the Termux application. It is asking us, do you want it to let you send notifications? Again, that is a personal preference. I am going to say don't allow. So here it is, we are on the main page of Termux. First command which we need to enter is termux-setup-storage. Once you have entered the command, press the enter key. So setup storage was done without any issues. The next thing we need to do is we need to give this super user access. So we are going to type in SU and then press the enter key. You should get the prompt for super user request. Herein we are going to say grant. Once that is done, this is our current path. So now you need to enter CD and then we are going to press the enter key. Once you do that, we can do LS to check where we are. So this is where we are right now. Next up, we need to go to our SD card and the download folder. So the command for that is cd space SD card do a slash, and then we are going to do download with a capital D, and make sure everything is typed in correctly. Press the enter key. Now we are in the download folder. If I do ls over here, you will notice I have my zip file, I have the Termux APK, and a bunch of other things. So we need to now go to this specific folder, the pixel underscore EFS underscore backup. So if you press and hold, everything will be highlighted and selected. We are going to say copy. So now we have successfully copied that name. Then we are going to do cd space, press and hold, and then paste. So we are now going to that specific folder, press the enter key, and if I do ls over here, these are the files. So we have backup pixel EFS and then restore. Now the name itself is self-explanatory. Backup is going to back up the partitions and restore is going to restore them. Where will you find the backed up partitions? They will be in the download folder. So as you can see right now, there are no backed up partitions over there. So next up, we can go back to Termux, and herein, first of all, let us highlight and select the backup file. So press and hold and try to get the backup file. So as you can see, backup underscore pixel underscore EFS dot sh is highlighted and selected. We are going to say copy. Now that was copied in. Next up, we have to make that file executable. So the command for that is chmod space plus x space, and then we can do a paste over here. So backup underscore pixel underscore EFS dot sh, press the enter key. Command was executed successfully. Next thing we need to do is execute this shell script. So sh space and then name of the file, and in this case it is the backup file. So press and hold and do a paste one more time, and then press the enter key, and bam, there it is. The partitions are being backed up right now. And now if I go back into the download folder, here it is. We have EFS backup, we have EFS underscore backup, and you have modem underscore A, modem underscore B, and the persist partitions. Now if you ever run into issues wherein you lose your IMEI, your Wi-Fi signal, your modem is not working properly, all you need to do is place these backup files in the download folder, and then you have to execute the restore file. Just make it executable, chmod plus x, and then sh and name of the file, and that should fix your issue. And of course, I do recommend that you take these backups, put it on the cloud, put it on your computer, and there it is, peeps. That is how you take a backup of the persist, the modem, and the EFS partitions on your Google Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, and any other Google Pixel device out there. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.